Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Tumushe TV here again. So today we are going to Nwafo Orizu College of Education in Nsugbe in Anambra State. So we want to go and give a tour of this school and see what it's currently looking like this 2025. Though I've been in to this school, I think around 2018 or 2019 or so, and since then I have not gotten an opportunity to visit back. So today we are going back to this place to go and see what the school is currently looking like, if there is any upgrade or any downgrade or anything at all, and also show you the environment. So currently we are still at the college road. We call this place or this place college road. After that 33 junction or roundabout, from there heading down is called college road. So all this place down to that school gate, we call it is being referred to as college road. So very soon you're gonna be seeing the school. So stay put until we get to that particular destination and show you around. And here we are currently at the Nwafo Orizu College of Education Nsugbe, and this is their main gate. You can see the way it is looking this 2025. Getting to the school from this main gate, I decided to use the second gate, which I could not be able to. I wasn't able to video that second gate, but currently I'm inside the school, and my back is the where you can find the second gate, and the second gate was not designed. It's just like normal gate and it's still okay, but that first gate is in shambles. Honestly, is in shambles. I will be honest, it's not looking good at all. It needs a total rehabilitation. So this is what you're gonna see immediately you enter from the second gate, heading down. You're gonna see this and other things once you move down a little bit. Seeing the field, that's long tennis or no handball courts that I just showed you, and others. So from there you head down a little bit to where you can find the female hostels and the other hostels. So where we are currently going on is where we're gonna find the new structures, and their new structures I think is male hostels. It was newly constructed. So, and that is the only I would say that's part of the new thing I noticed since the last time I visited this particular school. And another thing I'm seeing here is that they have a lot of old structures which has not been touched, while some of them are under renovations. And what I can say over here is that the way the road was around 2019, the time I visited here, is the way it was up to today. And even the main entrance gates, they are the asphalted road over there are completely going down. Honestly, the road has not been asphalted. They remain the way they are since that time we visited here last. Honestly, the school is giving me vibe of all these government technical secondary school. That's what the school is giving me since I'm visiting this particular school. So let's give you a little a little history about the school. So this school was formerly called the College of Education in Nsugbe, until it was renamed after Nigerian second Senate President, which is called Nwafo Orizu. So it's being called Nwafo Orizu College of Education currently. So the school was founded in 1976, so up to date. So this is the looks of the school. So I will allow you watch the video to the end to see everything for yourself. Though you can see that I love greens. I know I love the green nature of it, but what I don't like is that something should be done about the school. Make it look more nicer and stop looking like a kind of secondary school stuffs or something like that. So they should try and upgrade the school a little bit, because it's been this way since I know this school. It has been this way. The only upgrade I've seen here is what you're gonna see when we are heading down. I think they newly constructed that one, a kind of is you said a borehole or something that is being powered by solar. And those new hostel, that I showed you before, that I showed you before, this particular one, those are the only new things I saw when I visited. So the rest are still the way they are, and everywhere is still looking the way we made them the last time we visited. So I'm gonna allow you watch through all this video and see everything for yourself. And if you have any questions or anything you want to talk about concerning the school, or information you want to give us about the school, kindly do so. So to check out all their degrees, all the programs being offered in this school, you can head over to their website, which is nosan.edu.ng. I'll be leaving the link, the name on this video, so you can go and search for it. So they currently offer currently offer programs like BEd, which is BED or something, NCE, P, I think PEP or something, and the rest of them. So I will be leaving the website name, so you can go and check everything for yourself, and also check out their cutoff mark and other things. So you see everything. If you want to kind of visit the school, maybe you are not residing around Onitsha, or maybe residing around Onitsha and you want to visit the school, it's very easy to locate. If you are coming from Onitsha main market, just try your best to get to where they called Egerton. Once you get to Egerton, you will see a lot of keke napep, which you call a tricycle, and the other shuttle bus loading college. You'll be seeing them calling College Road, calling college, and what the rest of them. So from there you can head over to the school. If you are coming from maybe Enugu, Onitsha, Oka Expressway or whatever, just find yourself at Nkwere Junction. Once you stop at Nkwere Junction, you can from there and also take keke. If you are lucky enough to get a tricycle that is heading to the school from that Nkwele Junction, then that is it. But if you are not lucky, just take keke from there to maybe 33 Junction. Then from 33 Junction you can head to the school. So that is how you can locate the school. It's very very easy to locate. It's very very open. It's not hidden to anywhere. So watch the video through and see everything for yourself, and give us your own take about the looks of the school and other things. So continue with the video, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, click on the notification bell. Do have a wonderful day. Till we meet again in our next video. Peace.